What age did I lose my virginity?
8.
You're brighty!
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring. Snowing and blowing a distance of fun. Now the jingle hop has begun. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock.
Sit up and look alive, no sit up and look alive, man.
I'm not alive.
Children! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with Mom and
Okay. Who else would we need?
this is Who Knows Me Better Tag. I'm gonna ask questions. This is their buzzer.
No, I'll keep score.
Okay, you keep score.
You
Okay.
can't answer, but I keep score.
What are we gonna...
How old am I?
You're asking.
Oh, nobody does that. Oh, nobody does drop in the bed. Alright. How old am I, Daddy?
27! 28!
Yes, 28. I was working it out.
Nobody does get
28!
That's what I'm my hand
What years, come on?
I don't know.
Oh!
I should have done my wrong.
Well,
Next question. How many tattoos do I have?
4.
Where are they?
Oh, I got 4?
I don't know yet.
You don't know the answer, you answer question.
No, you're wrong. Go.
may I,
5!
sorry, may I have a point of order here? As I haven't seen you naked since you were 2 years old, how would I know how many tattoos you have now?
How many?
3.
Yes.
You can't hold on from the belly now.
Close, make it hold on.
No.
What did I study at university?
Marketing.
No, it wasn't just...
Marketing was part of
It wasn't just
Marketing was part of it.
That was my minor. What was my major?
You have to make it a minor.
Talking.
What would you call them? Hobbies or extracurricular activities? What were they in high school?
Dancing and volleyball.
Daddy. Come on!
You said, first of all, what would you call them? Hobby or extracurricular? That's not true. Ordain was of a hobby, right?
Hey! What do I like more, sweet or salty foods?
Sweet.
Sweet.
Oh God, thank you. You have one job! Pick up the pen! What's my all-time favorite food?
Jet set. For those of you who don't know, that's dog food.
Pasta?
No, it's burger.
Yes.
Alright!
Yes. So you have 2 now?
No, I'm not shit the bell.
No, oh God! So mommy, you're at 3.5, daddy's at 2.
It's hard to
Charo.
get to the bell and answer the question.
Alright, ready? Next question. Am I an early bird or a night owl?
Oh my God, please, let us answer this together. Until Amira, a night owl. Now that Amira is an early bird.
Yeah,
We both agree on that one.
How often do I work out on average?
Let's both hold the bell for this one. 0?
Would I rather live in a small town, countryside, or the city? And he gave it effort as well. Go.
Small town.
Yeah.
Yes, definitely. What job would I absolutely hate? Yeah, try now.
Worst job would be where you cannot go and do stuff that you
Freeze
want
time.
to do.
Hmm.
So,
Something that kind of stifles like my
Yeah,
creativity and
yeah.
like, yeah. Am I a planner or a spontaneous person?
Neither.
Daddy, get the pen! I'm a planner.
she's a
Yeah.
I'm a planner.
Believe me.
When things mess up my plan, I go,
I know. Especially when her mom calls and said, Mitty.
and you're famous for that. She famous the morning of.
Oh, what's the score? 7.
8.
What did I want to be when I was a kid, like a younger kid? What was my ultimate dream career? Come on, guys. I was obsessed with being a vet for the longest. until I couldn't deal with seeing the animals in pain. What was my favorite subject in high school?
What day?
My first job.
Strawberry Hill.
That don't count.
But it
That
was
job
your
was
first job.
forced upon.
But it was your
Full Sainsbury's.
that store, that clothing store.
Yes. If the house was on fire, what's the first thing I would grab?
Mira.
Mirror.
The way I didn't even think of that.
Oh my gosh.
Jen, how much time a day do I spend on my phone?
Well,
Daddy, your grandpa. Y'all work.
like all day. I mean, it's right beside her.
No, I'll give it this. I'd say it was about 6 hours.
You know what's funny? The screen time app says 6 hours. Quick answers, okay? It's this or that. It's or summer.
Summer.
Cats or babies.
Babies. What?
That's a weird one. Sparkling water or still water.
Still.
Partying or watching Netflix.
Watching.
TikTok or YouTube.
YouTube.
Introvert or extrovert.
Introvert.
Showering or taking a bath. Behave yourself.
Shower.
Coffee or tea.
Coffee.
Interesting.
Tea
Depends
most
on
of
the
the
time of the day.
yeah.
Tea majority
But
of the day.
coffee
Coffee in
to
the
get you
morning.
up,
Oh
yeah.
yeah, definitely. Calls or texts.
Text.
Definitely text. Big party or small gathering.
Small gatherings.
Chips or pizza.
Pizza.
Coke or lemonade.
Cold.
Singing or dancing.
Dancing.
Yeah, you can see.
If I could, do you think I'd run for public office?
You?
No.
What's my favorite season?
But they are.
Not
What?
seasoning. Not.
Spring in England and Jamaica.
Have I ever been in a fight?
Yes.
Have I?
Yes.
Well, I guess no. That's Anna.
You guys just assume I've been in a fight. Like, you
Yes.
both are gonna answer so hard today.
Confused.
No. I assume she's been in a fight in England, but she's never been in a fight.
Do I take leftovers home when I go out to eat, or do I leave it?
Oh,
You leave
definitely
it.
take home.
I definitely take it home.
You do?
I paid for that.
Absolutely.
I take everything scrape off of the plate. How long would I survive a zombie? A couple.
Oh, a very long time.
Can I survive?
Yeah, you run. And
And
constantly
running?
run. And run. And
You think
run.
I survive?
I don't
Stuff
know
like that
if you
freaks you
survive
out, so
because
you run.
Freak
you
me
would
out.
be freaking
You run.
out and you'd be trying to find a bathroom and they'd surely find you in the bathroom.
Because I be shitting.
Because you'd be shitting
I be
yourself.
shitting myself to death.
No, you'd be so scared. You wouldn't care about using it.
No, I would be
She would be
shitting
shitting
myself to
all
death.
over the
I'd just be
place.
fretting. What age did I lose my virginity?
14.
You're brighty! You're awesome! You're awesome!
I would say 18. I made sure of that.
She made sure of that. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining us for this video today. Comment down below who you think win, because at this point we don't remember what the score is or nothing. So comment down below who we think won.
Just note that the father is cut out of a frame. You can only see half of me. This is intentional. It is intentional. Women always gang up against the father. Just remember that, guys out there. Remember that. You lose.
Comment down below.
The bell was in the middle though.
The belly in the middle. Comment down
That's
below
why
who
I'm on
you
the
think
outside.
won. Thank you guys so much. Remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, watch those adverts. Because yesterday I pranked this one. I got his reaction to some. So guys, if you haven't seen that, you can, I'm gonna put it in suggested thing right here, so go and watch that video. But until then, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video.
Bye.
Bye.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, rock. Jingle bell swing